For years, technology companies have treated product secrecy as one of their greatest competitive advantages, from prototype devices to supplier networks and manufacturing processes. Every layer of the supply chain is designed to protect information long before a product reaches consumers. But as manufacturing ecosystems becomes larger, more distributed, and increasingly digital, protecting intellectual property is no longer confined to research labs or headquarters. It now depends on the cybersecurity resilience of every supplier connected to that ecosystem. That challenge has come into sharp focus after reports that a cyber attack on Tata Electronics exposed confidential files relating to Apple's upcoming iPhone 18 Pro, including supplier mappings, component information, and internal testing images posted on the dark web. While investigations continue, the incident highlights a much broader question. In today's global manufacturing economy, is cybersecurity becoming as critical as production itself? Welcome to the latest episode of Perspectives. This week, we are examining why the biggest risk facing global technology companies may no longer be designing breakthrough products, but protecting the vast digital supply chains that builds them. Now, according to the reports, confidential files allegedly stolen during a ransomware attack on Tata Electronics includes supplier list, component mappings, and images linked to Apple's unreleased iPhone 18 Pro models. The document reportedly reveals which companies manufacture specific components, informations Apple closely guards as a part of its product development and procurement strategy. That breach comes as Tata Electronics plays an increasingly important role in Apple's manufacturing expansion beyond China, producing components and assembling iPhone as the company diversifies its global supply chains. Investigations remain ongoing, with Apple and Tata working to strengthen security measures while forensic audits continue. What makes this development significant? That it shifts the conversation beyond leaked product images or early specifications. Modern technology companies no longer operate through a single factory or a single supplier. Every smartphone, laptop, or semiconductor relies on hundreds of specialized partners spread across multiple countries, all connected through digital systems that exchange designs, engineering files, and manufacturing instructions. That means a cyber attack targeting just one supplier can expose information across an entire technology ecosystem. As supply chains become more interconnected, cybersecurity is evolving from an IT function into a strategic business capability that protects innovation itself. For companies expanding manufacturing across new geographies, trust has become just as important as scale. Governments are investing billions to build domestic manufacturing ecosystems, while companies seek greater resilience by diversifying production across multiple countries. But every additional supplier, contractor, and manufacturing partner also creates another potential point of vulnerability. The implications extend well beyond Apple or Tata, as industries from electronics to automotive become increasingly dependent on complex digital supply chains. Protecting confidential information will require continuous cybersecurity investments, stronger supplier governance, and closer collaboration across entire manufacturing networks. For decades, competitive advantage in technology was built on designing better products and manufacturing them faster. Today, another factor is becoming equally important. The companies that lead tomorrow's technology industry may not simply be those that innovate the fastest. They may be the ones that can protect innovation across every link of the global supply chain. Because in the digital economy, safeguarding information has become just as valuable as creating it. That's all for today's Perspectives. I'm your host Ankita Sachdeva. Keep watching the mainstream for more such stories.